multi-floor, and these are what trams look like in the Czech Republic. But no.
It's a Czech tram, but in Slovakia.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. God damn it. Okay. But this is what a tram looks like in Slovakia. So there are tons of trams which look like this. Here, I'll get a good look. This is what it looks like. And they have like 2 sides, I think. Do they? I don't think so. But I don't know. I won't be going on these trams because we don't have enough money for them. They're expensive. But those are Czech trams. Like, some of the trams were taken to Leipzig. But yeah, let's go see how much it costs. Oh, another one's coming. Oh, it's the same tram like in Vienna. Ow. Really? It just costs 70 cents. Wow. Really. Tram number 1701. An old tram. Yeah.
Да, это в Лейпциге, они просто другие.
Yeah. They're just like the ones in Leipzig. So, yeah. Well, it's off my video. Just like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I do another part of this that I don't know. Another one.